I'm in the garage. It's about 9 o'clock at night. I'm changing the registration sticker. This car has a fully tinted windshield. It is a Mercedes. All you do is peel it off very carefully, no razor blades. It's on there pretty good. And my nails are really short, but it'll get there eventually. When I can grab it. But see, I'm not messing up the film at all. I'm just peeling it with my fingernail. If you use a razor blade, it's going to be a bad idea. You'll have to get a new $300 front windshield retint. Really at a bad angle here. I don't know if I should get in the car. It is on there good. I'm starting to get somewhere, as you can see. I'm just peeling slowly. We've had some customers complain that they peeled their window tint off with the sticker. And I mean, I just don't understand how they do it, so that's why I'm making this video. It takes literally less than 2 minutes to do this, and bam. This is Winco IR film, no damage. Look, there's no tint on here. Windshield's perfect. Now all I gotta do is wipe it down, stick a new sticker on it. And that's it, guys. That should answer some questions.